So hello guys, welcome to another fresh episode or video of SGPS Electronics project. So in this video, I'm going to talk about ATMEL's 8051 family's AT89S52 microcontroller.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
So in this video, I'm covering the topics like how to debug or program a microcontroller or code. So for this, we need two software. One is Scale Macrovision 3, as I highlighted on the screen. As you can see, so here I am using Scale Macrovision 3. So you can use Scale Macrovision 4 or higher any higher of scale which are available in near future. So let's get started. So first of all, open the software. So then you need to click on project. Click on project, then new project. Then you first of all you need to create a new folder and name the folder as per your project name. So here I am creating a new folder. So the name is we are giving the name as LED Blink 2. Here I am giving LED Blink 2 name. So folder created, then open that folder and name the file as per your project name, same as the folder name. LED Blink 2, then click on save. Then here you can see a window will pop up. So here it will ask you to choose your microcontroller company. So here I am using ATMEL. So click on ATMEL. So you can see there's a lots of model number here. So which microcontroller you are using, so you have to choose that. So here I am using AT89S52 microcontroller. So here this is the AT89S microcontroller. So there are some specifications. Click on OK, then no. Then here as you can see the target file is created. So click on text icon for creating a text document. So then you need to save the text document. First of all, save the text file. Click on save, then name it as per same as the project name, but in .c extension. So so now we have to add that text file in the source group. So for this you need to double click on the source group, and then it will pop up and it asks you to select that file. So here as you can see the file is added. So now in this text file we need to write our program. So first of all we write our header file, so which is #include reg52.h. As you can see, I am writing giving comments in every after every program the header file. Next we write next to declare void function, that is void delay bracket unsigned int. So now we write the main function, so which is void main. So here bracket main function. So first of all, you need to declare your output port. The output port can declare your port number, then equals to 0x00. So here I am using port 0 as output port. Port 0 is output port. So now, if I directly write the program, then it will run for only one time. If I wish to run the program for a continuous loop or continuously, so we need to apply, or we need to write a loop which is called while loop, or as you may know that loop in the name of infinite loop. So for this we need to write while one, then this is the infinite loop. Then we write our main function, that is port 0 equals to 0xFF. 0xFF means it will turn all the LEDs on. 0xFF means it will turn all the LED on. Then I wish to give the LED a delay or delay. Then I wish that the LED turn off. So for this I am writing port 0 equals to 0x port 0 equals to 0x00. So it will turn off the LED, then delay. So here our main function, the construction of the main function done. So now we need to write our delay function. So next we write the delay function. So void delay unsigned int time bracket open, then declaration of the variables. So here I am using the global variable unsigned int. Both the variables are not signed, they are unsigned. Then I am using for loop I equals to 0 semicolon, then I greater than time, then semicolon I plus plus is the increment by 1 unit. So we construct our void delay function. So then you need to save this program by simply clicking on the save icon, then build the target. As you can see, target is successfully built, so there is no error and no warnings. So next step is how to load the program. So next before that we need to create our hex file. So for hex file we need build again, and okay, click on target 1, then project, then option for target 1. Then here you can see target XDL means your development board or your programmer boards was crystal oscillator. Which crystal oscillator you are used in your programmer board or development board. So in my programmer board I have crystal oscillator of 11.0592 megahertz. So here put the value. You have to put the value in the validated in the screen. 11.0592 I am using. So next erase the rectangle. So next click on the output. So here you can see create hex file. So tick the create hex file, and by default it is hex80. Then build the program again whether your hex file is not created. So as you can see, the hex file created successfully, which is in the name of LED_2.hex file something. So hex file created. Now we are going to load the program in the microcontroller. So for this process we need a software which is called 8051 loader. So I am using 8051 loader. So click on 8051 loader, then browse your file, which is in the name of LED_2.hex in the same folder. So here I found this, and write the program. Click on write. So you can see the writing process started. So the writing process successfully done. So this is the message after writing.